to czasami jechało do portu.
Całe pasy mają speed.
Had to take off in the late evening because the length of the flight meant that we wanted to spend most of the time over German occupied territory at night. So we took off, I think it was about 9 o'clock.
Runway tej długiej to był nad morze 1940 metrów długości. Pamiętam, kierunek to było 0,52 stopnie.
I was sitting in the tail turret with no heat. I had icicles on my oxygen mask, the so-called.
Parts where there was nothing, and then you just run into it again, depending where the enemy's armament were.
Trasa wynosiła w ten sposób gdzieś około 1500 km.
It met quite a lot of opposition with not only anti-aircraft fire over the target, but all the way there. Near Krakow, particularly, there's a lot of night fighters, zones and heavy flights.
Ahead was many, many miles away, almost all fire. I knew what I was doing.
First thing we saw was the city on the horizon. We didn't know that it would be on fire. The city was on fire. There was a lot of smoke and haze around. It was especially for distance of those like Devon and swaying as the Dutch Swedish dinner.
You could see there was fireworks going ahead. You could see the searchlights coming up, catching you in the fire. You couldn't have done the drive of the fire because you bumped into one of your other aircraft.
Całe miasto się paliło i było trudno